Hello, today we will guide you through how to collect a deposit from your customers using QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll show you a simple way to record a customer deposit in QuickBooks Online using a sales receipt. This is helpful when a customer pays you upfront for a product or service, and you want to make sure that payment is entered properly in your books. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and go to the main homepage. Once you're there, look to the top left area of the screen for the Create option. Move your mouse over it to open the menu. This is where QuickBooks gives you shortcuts for creating different types of transactions, including invoices, expenses, and sales forms. From that menu, click on Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is commonly used when you receive payment at the time of the sale. In this case, it can also be used to help capture a deposit that has already been collected from your customer. When the sales receipt form opens, go to the Customer drop-down field and choose the appropriate customer from your list. If you're following along in a test environment, just select the sample customer shown on your screen. Choosing the right customer is important because it links the payment to the correct account history and keeps your records organized. Next, enter or select the needed information on the form. Depending on your setup, this may include details like the payment date, payment method, deposit account, or other required fields. Take a moment here to review each field carefully so the deposit is recorded accurately. Small errors in these details can make reconciliation more difficult later, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. After that, go to the Product or Service section and enter the sample product or service shown in your QuickBooks account. This line item tells QuickBooks what the payment is for. Make sure the amount and item selection match the deposit you're collecting so your reporting stays clean and consistent. Once everything has been filled in and reviewed, click Record and Close. This saves the sales receipt and closes the form, completing the process. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a customer deposit in QuickBooks Online. As a helpful tip, it's always a good idea to review the saved transaction afterward to confirm that the customer, amount, and product or service details were entered correctly. Keeping these records accurate from the start makes future reporting, customer tracking, and account reconciliation much easier.